Hey y'all, so today we are doing 3 different ways and a bonus way to do the perfect French tip every single time. So the first one, we're going to go ahead and make that line down the middle of the nail. You're using that as where you want your smile line, that curve, that perfect curve. That's where you want to know where your smile line is going to stop, right? So then you're going to go from edge to edge, corner to corner, whatever you want to call it, and round it out. Boom. You can flick your brush. Flicking the brush makes it more easier for me because it's not too much product being distributed onto the nail, and then I just keep going in that back and forth motion until that curve is perfect. Excuse the fact that it's out of focus right now, but I'm just using that liner brush to get the corners nice and the white nice and distributed through the corners, because that brush is pretty wide and I don't want to mess up that perfect smile line we just got. And then you want to use that brush and color in the rest. Then you're going to cure that in the lamp. Perfect. Okay, so this is the second method. Now I go from corner, I go towards the diagonal of the nail. That's why I use the duck nail, so that you guys can actually see that I am in fact doing it on the diagonal. And then I make a line right across, and then where that box is, or that line, you want to go ahead and just round it out. I'm making my smile line a little bit lower, but that's just how you're going to know where your smile line is going to stop, and then you want to round it out. The last one that I did, you're going to use that liner brush to just get those corners first, nice and colored with the white distributed. Well, I didn't do that this time, but use the liner brush, you guys. Don't use the thick brush to color in the corners. Okay, you can go as low as you can, but try to use that liner brush if possible. Okay, so this is the very last one. So what you want to do is color in all of the tip and the free edge that you do not want, like basically to where you want your smile line to stop. And then I go from each corner towards the diagonal and round it out to get that perfect smile line. And then I just keep moving that brush back and forth, just until that curve is perfect. The perfect roundness, perfect shape, no mess ups. Don't need to use a cleanup brush or anything like that. If you do, no shame, you are a beginner. But I've been doing friendships for a really long time, so I don't ever need to clean up. If I do have to clean up, I just honestly start all over again, because cleaning up, it gives me a headache. The product smudges and all of that. So I rather just clean the whole nail and just start over. And then you want to use that liner brush and color in the rest. Mm-hmm. And another perfect Frenchie. Whatever one that you choose, you should get a perfect French tip every time, you guys. and make sure you clean up before you cure. And lastly, this is the bonus one. This is actually the method that I do now. I just go from each side on that diagonal and make my little curve. Boom, that's my smile line right there. I'll make sure it's perfect first before coloring in the rest. But once it's perfect, I color in the rest and cure that, and then top it with top coat, whether it's matte or shiny. So hopefully you guys can get a good smile line from this tutorial. You should get a perfect smile line every time, you guys. I'm telling you. Practice makes perfect. So yeah. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. I am working on giving you guys more tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 6.